Today in lab you will be doing earthquake location. Please make sure that you read the above paragraph so that you have a good idea all about earthquakes, although we have talked a lot about this in class. What you need to do for the first thing is to fill in your essential question, how can an earthquake be located, and then write your hypothesis. After you do that, you will then go to the very first page here, which the procedure at the top is pretty clear, but what you're going to do is you're going to use this page here, which is page 11 of your reference table. You will use the travel time to find distance to epicenter for both P and S waves. If you forget how to do this, you can rewatch video 1 that you learned today in class to help you figure that out. After that, you will then go to this chart. Okay, you will be looking at seismograms X, Y, and Z. Please note that this is noon, so then these are minutes after noon. Okay, so for station X, the P wave arrival time, you should get 12 hours because it's noon, 1 minute, and then it's right on the minute, so it's 0 seconds. Okay, your S wave, then you would get right there. Okay, you're going to do the same for Y and Z off of this seismogram. Okay, then what you're going to do is subtract the P wave and S wave time. Remember, put your S wave at the top, so you're doing your time math. And then what I would do is distance to epicenter. Okay, remember, when you do this one, you might want to write a note on your lab here. You're going to need that card to do distance to epicenter because you're going to use the difference in arrival time. Okay, so whatever you get here, you're going to mark off on your card, you're going to slide it up, and you're going to get your distance to epicenter. Once you get your distance to epicenter, you'll go back to your chart to find P wave travel time. So make sure you're doing this column before you do that column. Okay? Then once you get these distance to epicenter, you will flip this over. You will use your compass, okay, if you remember this from last lab day, and you will open your compass the appropriate amount from each city. So if you flip back over here, city X is in Annapolis, city Y is in Oklahoma City, and city Z is in Des Moines. So you can find them on here. Annapolis, Des Moines, and Oklahoma City. Okay, so whatever you get there, you're going to open it up, and you should find that they all meet in a specific area, which would be your X for your epicenter. And then there are 10 questions, okay, so you can try to fill those out the best you can.